Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show Tiramisu Espresso, updated. Start by pulling a double shot of espresso and letting it cool while you separate eggs and measure mascarpone. Whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale, fold in mascarpone gently, and whip whites to soft peaks. Quickly dip ladyfingers in cooled espresso and layer them with cream. Finish with cocoa dusting and chill the dish for at least 4 hours before serving. Pull 2 strong espresso shots and allow them to cool while you prep the cream components for tiramisu. Keep a shallow dish for dipping and test 1 ladyfinger first to judge soak time. Dip just long enough to wet the center without collapsing the biscuit, then lay them in a single even layer. Repeat with remaining fingers and build layers steadily to maintain structure and balanced coffee flavor in every bite. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like to support future recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for serious comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for cooks who stand long hours. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Make a smooth mascarpone cream by first whisking yolks and sugar to a pale ribbon, then gently folding in mascarpone until silky. Whip egg whites to soft peaks in a separate bowl and incorporate them carefully to maintain airiness. Avoid overmixing so the final texture stays light yet stable enough to hold layers. Chill the cream briefly if warm, then proceed to layer with dipped ladyfingers for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.